when Corona finished, the disease finished, then we like small
This one.
picture, yes.
Yes.
When COVID finished,
Yes.
they make art.
Oh,
And
ang ganda.
here information about
Yes.
skeletal muscle, brain, eyes.
Grabe. Kalain niyo yung guys, no? May ganyan pala rito. Sa Saudi Arabia, ganito kaganda museum nila rito. Ito, meron sila sa Kuko, ito liver. Di ko na alam kung ano yan. Ito pa yung skeleton. Wow. Maganda. Siyempre, para yung picture natin dyan. Yan guys, oh. Napakaganda rito sa museum ng Saudi Arabia. Ito yung astronaut na sinasabi nila.
Yeah, there is a samples here inside about Mecca.
Yes. And this one, what is this?
This is the Jerusalem in Palestine.
Palestine.
Of course.
Yeah, actually also this one's very historical place.
Yeah, yeah.
This the three place
Yeah,
and
the three,
yes, this is the Makkah.
Islam.
this is the Makkah,
Yeah,
and this is the Medina,
yeah.
and this is the Palestine or Palestine.
Palestine.
Palestine. Yeah, this place very historical because you know the Israel.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
that's right.
place was built before Mecca.
Yeah, this is the first one,
Yeah,
right?
but Mecca become the first mosque because it's the house of God. So
Yeah, yeah.
So this is the first one, built the
Yes.
first one, but this has
First.
become the first mosque.
But this one he built
This is
Prophet
this is
Prophet
the
Ibrahim,
story.
right?
Yeah, Abraham.
Oh,
Yeah,
Abraham.
This is the story for the Kaaba. The foundation of Kaaba, it was before thousands of years.
Yes.
It built by the angel of Gabriel. Yeah, and they said some of them, they said Adam. He built the foundation. But Abraham, he raised the foundation from the ground.
Just
Photo for everything.
okay,
Yeah, you can
okay.
take a photo. Yeah.
Okay, and then can you continue to explain about that?
Yeah. So this is the foundation, the spot for the Kaaba. It's chosen by God, not from not from anybody. Yeah, the foundation, the spot for the Kaaba. So that's why it's the holy place, not because it's only stone and nothing inside the Kaaba. Yeah.
Yeah.
The holy thing is because they're chosen by God.
And
spot
the
for
stone, what's the stone in the Kaaba?
What the stone?
Yeah, the stone, black stone.
Yeah, no, the black stone, it's in the corner, not the whole stone. No, not the whole stone. The black stone, it's in the corner. I will show you here. From here. This is the Kaaba. Some of them, they will ask
Yeah.
why it's.
Yeah, this is the example of Kaaba.
Yeah, this is sample of Kaaba. Some of them
Okay.
they will say, why you go for 7 rounds and
Yes.
it's only stone. Maybe I will say because this is not it's the holy things, not because of the Kaaba, because the spot for the Kaaba where it's in, the foundation for it.
Okay.
Yeah, the black stone, it's there. Yeah, this is the photo for it.
Yes, this is the
Yeah.
photo of
Yeah, the
black stone.
It's opal stone, which become from the heaven by the angel
Okay.
Gabriel.
Angel Gabriel. Wow.
It's a small stone, but the government they put it in material to collect it together, so it become one piece. Yeah.
Very nice. And why we need to make a 7 round from the Kaaba?
Before when Abraham, this is before it's Arab Peninsula, not Saudi Arabia, Arab Peninsula, yeah. So when Abraham come here with his wife Sarah, he become here and there's no food, no water, it's only desert. So he left his son and his wife in that place in Mecca. So Sarah, she was searching for water for 7 times. Come and go around. Yeah,
Ah.
until the water of Zamzam.
Meron pang mas maganda. Tapos tayo sa ibang ano pa. Sa ibang ano nila rito. Kung ano meron pa sila rito. Sister, what is this? Jerusalem City. Wow.
Jerusalem, Palestine.
Palestine, ha? What is the history of this one?
This is by Shell. Shell.
Hmm. And the other one?
Where? This.
Yes.
This is in Egypt.
Egypt.
Architecture, Islamic civilization of the Fatimid area, Iraq.
Ang dami, ba't ibang klaseng ano? Ito yung isa sa pinaka ano talaga, Jerusalem. Ito yung pinaka laging pinag-aawayan sa ng mga Palestine at sa Jerusalem. Yun lang yung alam ko ron. Ito naman the Islamic civilization. Wow. Islamic arts. Parang galing na pa tayo rito. Islamic arts tayo. Wow. Ganda, oh. Iba't ibang ano rito. Iba't ibang arts ang makikita nyo rito sa loob nito. At ito ay wow. Kita nyo naman, oh. Naitatabi pa na mga ganyang bagay. Grabe. Napakaganda talaga. Ang dami nilang ano rito, iba't ibang klase. Ito, stick nito, oh. Ang ganda rito. Di ba? Taan naman natin yung ibang ano. Ibang kwarto kung ano meron pa rito. At tayo sa Iranian arts. Wow, tila lahat ng Asian meron sila rito. Asian. Yeah. Iranian. Ano? Iranian. Oh, ganda nito. Oh. Meron sila rito, lahat yata ng bansa, meron silang mga...
It's in different region of Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
Starting from the south region, going to the east and the west, and going to Dammam and Al-Hassan.
The all media, the Saudi...
Yeah, it's all in the Saudi Arabia.
Arab, yeah, Saudi
Yeah, but
Arabia.
different region. So it will be different style or different construction methods from region to region, and different material for the building.
And this is from...
Yeah, this is what is in the center here. It's about the outfit for the Bedouin women who belong to the south region, like Asir, Najran, Jizan, Al Baha. It's near to Yemen.
The all Arab.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's all colorful, like their house from inside. You
Yeah.
have to take a look here. Go inside to see the houses from inside.
Okay, I will check.
Different, totally different from Jeddah and
Yeah,
Riyadh.
Maglis.
Yeah.
Oh. Nakakagulat. Ito pala yung ano nila. Ang ganda rito.
It's so small and tiny from inside the houses.
Yes.
Besides,
Para
the
traditional.
living room and the living
Yes.
room. Be careful, yeah?
Yeah. This is the traditional. Ito mga katotong traditional na bahay sa ibang bansa. Wow. Ang ganda. Makakagulat nga lang, parang may mga taong pero manikin lang yan. Wow. Guys, napakaganda rito. Grabe. Ano kaya itong napasukan ko to? Ang angas. Wow. Kalahin niyo yun, no? Kung anong merong ganda sa labas, meron din pala ito sa loob. Kakaiba. Guys, kakaiba rito. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ano nila rito. Pag kinakasal sila, yung traditional nila rito. Kaya na itsura dito. Yan o. Ang galing, di ba? Grabe, ang ganda rito sa loob nito. Hindi mo akalain na may ganyan talaga rito. Guys, kakaiba to rito. Yan yung mga traditional nila rito. Excuse me.
During that king of
Yung tradition nilang bahay dati sa Saudi Arabia, gantong itsura dito. Ayan. Ito yung gantong kitchen nila. Makita niyo yung kitchen nila, di ba? Yan yung sinaunang mga gamit kung ano meron sa Saudi Arabia. Makita niyo naman. Grabe. Ngayon, puntahan naman natin sa may banyo nila. Ayan. Yan yung dating banyo rito, guys. Yung traditional dati, yan yung itsura. Kung ano pinapakita ko sa inyo. Ito, normal na to pag may mga ganyan talaga. Siyempre, ngayon, iba na yung toilet sa Saudi Arabia. May tiles na. Pero dati ganyan siya. Itsura. Ayan. Ito, iba't ibang klaseng mapa. Nakita nyo dyan. Ayan. Tapos ganito yung mga sala nila. Yung sinaunang panahon, ganyan. Kung nakikita nyo, yun. Grabe. Ganda. At ayun nga guys, andito na ngayon tayo sa labas. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda dito sa labas. Guys, grabe, hindi ko in-expect yung makikita ko sa loob. Na akala ko isang lumang bahay lang. Hindi lang pala siya lumang bahay. Isa pala siyang museum sa loob. Kaya kung nasa Saudi Arabia ka ba, kung lalo na kung nasa Jeddah ka, guys, bisitahin nyo tong napakagandang museum dito sa Saudi Arabia. Siguradong busog na busog yung mga mata nyo. Pupunta tayo dyan. Try natin pupunta sa may mosque. Diba? Napakaganda rito, guys. Kaya kung hindi ka pa nakapollow sa akin, kung ikaw ba nanonood ito, baka naman paki-like, follow, and share na rin. Okay? At huwag kalimutan, follow for more. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ano pa rito, guys. Ba't ibang ganda rito pag gabi. Yan o. Diba? And I want to thank you to my friend. Thank you so much. Yan na guys, ganyan na itsura ito pag gabi. Diba? Napakaganda. Buhay na buhay yung old culture ng Saudi Arabia pag dito ka nagpunta sa lugar na to. Yung mga bahay nila, yan lahat. Dito, binibisita ng mga turista to. Ngayon, napakaganda lang ng punta ko kasi walang gaanong tao. Tapos may nag-guide pa sa atin, di ba? Ayan guys. Dito na tayo. Kaya guys, hanggang dito na lang yung video natin. At salamat sa inyo. At huwag kalimutan, ang lagi kong sinasabi, follow for more. Bye!